Right. Last day we have discussed about linking, and today we have to discuss about embedding. Right. Today we have to discuss about embedding, and actually under embedding. So let's do small example because this is really simple. This is similar to linking. Right. Only thing is we are using that IMG tag for embedding. Let me do this. I'm going to create a web page. And to this web page, so this is small one, HTML open, HTML close, head open, head close, title open, title close, and body open, body close. We are going to write the text, write the message in body section. Hurry. LinkedIn waladi, in LinkedIn, we have to click on the link to activate the resource. Resource එකට යන්න link එක උඩ click කරන්න ඕන. හැබැයි embedding වලදී page එකට යනකොටම resource එක තියෙනවා. When you access the page, you can see the resource. Okay, one thing that I'm going to embed is image. So let's use IMG tag, IMG SRC. Then you have to give the path similar to that linking. Linking වගේම path එක දෙන්න ඕන embedding වලදී. එතකොට when you are going to give the paths, let's go and search image, and I'm going to go to the desktop. In this desktop, I have some images. Okay, let's use this abcd.jpg image. Right, this image. I'm going to embed this image to my web page. I'm going to embed this image to my web page. Right, that can be done. IMG SRC. Then the file name. File name is I think you can remember it is abcd.jpg. abcd.jpg. The file name is abcd.jpg. And then, so remember that image is IMG is a self-closing tag. And some bottles are having covers and cups, right? A close that so some cups are having like a closing component, right? So let's say there is a like a bottle. In bottle you can see a cap which is closed in there. So but some are not having, some are having the closing itself in the bottle. So this is similar to that. So this tag has a closing tag, 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 but image tag, similar to BR and all these things, it doesn't have a closing tag. It is self-closing. Therefore, you are not going to write something like this, right? IMG ke close karanne. So instead of that, you are going to self-close this. You are going to self-close this. Okay, let's save this, and I'm going to save as abc.html in the same place, desktop, abc.html. Let's go to the desktop now, and let's open abc.html, and you can see, oh, sorry. So when you load this, let's double click again, and here, yes. So not this one, sorry. I have double clicked the wrong file. Go to the desktop, abc.html, here it is, abc.html. I'm going to double click on that and you can see the image inside that web page. abc.html, when I access, the image is there in that website. That is what embedding is. You can also do this. I'll send both files to you. I'll send both files to you. Please download the files. You have to download both files, right? Okay, I'm going to browse the file from the computer. And from the computer, I'm going to give the access to these abcd and abc.html, both files. This is the image. You can download that image, and not only that, please download both, right? Please download image and HTML file both. Then it should work. Don't just download HTML only. You need the resource. In the resource එකයි HTML file එකයි දෙකම නැත්නම් image එකයි resource me HTML file එකයි දෙකම download කරන්න. After downloading both, double click on the abc.html file, then you will see similar web page like this. If you want to view the source code, right click, view page source. So right click, view page source, and you can see the text. Or you can right click on the file after downloading, right click on the file and open with a text editor. Open with Notepad, maybe open with Notepad++. Then also you can see the code. Okay, so this is embedding, and also note that this embedding can be done for a resource in the internet. If you have internet connection, and if you see a wallpaper, let's say the wallpaper is there, let's say wallpaper nature, and what you have to do is you have to just, well, let's see, this is my wallpaper. I'm just going to access that wallpaper, and I'm going to right click on this wallpaper and copy image address. See, right click, copy image address, copy image address. Then you can go to this and type, let's type BR to go to the next line. IMG SRC is equal to this location, right? IMG SRC, this location. Then save it and access the web page. You will see that online resource is also loaded to your page. But you should have internet connection. If you disconnect internet connection, this won't load. Internet connection එක තිබ්බොත් තමයි එක පේන්නේ. Right? And there are some here auto compress these things I can remove, right? I can remove all these things because that is not needed. I just need the image. Let's remove that and see. Refresh. Okay, you can see, yes, a large image is loaded to your page now. It's a very large image. Very large image that is loaded to your page. If you want, you can rescale or resize the image. If you want, you can rescale or resize the image. If you don't like this, give width. Let's say width is 900 pixels. Save. It will automatically adjust the height. Now you can see with 900 pixels. Right. And if you want to make it center, put it inside the center tag. If you want to make it center tag එක දැම්මම හරි. Put it inside the center tag. Center tag එක ඇතුලේ close tag එකට කලින් image එක ලියන්න. Inside center tag you have to write the image and then that will be centered there. මේ ඔක්කොම center tag එක ඇතුලේ ලියන්න පුළුවන් ඕන. Then everything will be centered. The first image and the second image both will be centered. Use center tag. Then you can see both are centered. Both images are there. Okay. Right. I have done embedding for image, which is a local resource. Can computer එකේ තියෙන resource එකක් මම embed කරා. ඊට පස්සේ මම embed කරා internet එකේ තියෙන resource එකක්. Let me send the updated file. මම updated file එක ඔයාලට එවන්නම්. test කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන් එතකොට. එකක් තමයි abc.html. මතක තියාගෙන මේකත් එක්ක image එක download කරන්න නැත්නම් වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ. And abcd.jpg. I have sent both. Please download abc.html and also download abcd.jpg, that image, and then double click on the HTML file and open, and you will see both. You will see both. But this is how I have embedded image. And also note that similar to the thing that I have given last day, if you have an image, you can go here. Let's say I have an image here. This is an image. I just wanted to actually open that image. I'm going to rename this as IM2 or something. Okay, let's open this with the web browser. Make a web browser can open. Right click, open with the web browser. And now you can see the full path of this image. You can just copy and paste the full path, but that won't help, right? That won't help. Why? Because I'll send the file to you, then you can experience that. මම ඔයාලට එවන්නම් ෆයිල් එක ඔයාලා බලන්න ඇයි මේක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ කියලා මම කියන්නේ. So this is my link. img src, and this is my file. This is local file, and I'm going to yes. Hari, mama දැන් ඔයාලට මේක මගේ එකේ පෙන්නන්න. I'm going to show this in my computer. මගේ computer එකේ බලන්න එක වැඩ කරනවා. මම මේක open කරනවා abc.html. Sorry, yeah, abc.html. මගේ computer එකේ මේ image එකක් පේනවා. internet එකෙන් ආපු එකක් පේනවා. මේ camera වල image එකක් පේනවා. හරි, මම දැන් ඔයාලට එවනවා මේ තුනම. ඒ කියන්නේ මම එවනවා html file එක ආපහු. Again the html file, okay, added. දෙවනි එක මම එවනවා ඔයාලට abcd.jpg කියන එක. තුන්වෙනි එක මම ඔයාලට එවනවා, I'm going to send you that im2.jpg. හරි, ඔයා ෆයිල් තුනම ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරන්න. Please download abc.html, abcd.jpg and im2.jpg. Download all three files and open in your computer now. After downloading, please open this in your computer. Can you see all three files? Please let me know whether you can see all three files or is there anything missing? You need to talk, guys. Please download the file. Download all three files.
No, sir.
You can see all three. Is it?
No, sir.
Which is missing? Which is missing?
im2.jpg and abcd.jpg.
Download करा दो. im2.jpg and abcd.
abcd. Oh.
Have you downloaded the file? abcd download करा दो.
Oh, sir.
But still missing.
Yes.
Oh, that cannot be. Can you share the screen? Others, what about the others? Others can also still. Others, can you see all three files or is there any file missing? Hello? Ute, can you share the screen? Then I can see.
Last one is missing, sir.
Last one is missing. That is correct. Last one can be missing, but the second one should not be like. So second one should not.
Oh, sir, second one is the end.
Second one තියෙනවා, first one තියෙනවා. First one ඔයා download
Oh,
කරලා.
sir, first one is the
first one තියෙනවා නේ ඒක තමයි. First one, second one තියෙනවා. Last one නැහැ. හේතුව මොකද්ද last one නැති වෙන්නේ? What's the reason for missing last one? මේ බලන්න මම දුන්න විදිහ. abcd.jpg then ඔයාලා download කරානේ. Since you have downloaded, you can find the file. This is in the internet. So no worries, it is already in the internet, and so you will see these files without any error. Internet එකේ file එක තියෙනවනේ ඉන්න පේනවා. මේක ඔයා download කරපු ඉන්න පේනවා. මේක ඔයා download කරා. හැබැයි ඔයාගේ download folder එකේ තමයි file එක තියෙන්නේ. But this code says it is in users dasun niranjana desktop. Is it correct? මගේ computer එකට හරි. ඔයාගේ computer එකට හරිද ඒක? නෑ නේද? ඔයාගේ computer එකේ users කියලා folder එකක්, ඒක ඇතුලේ dasun niranjana කියලා folder එකක්, ඒක ඇතුලේ desktop කියලා folder එකක්, ඒක ඇතුලේ im2 නෑනේ. ඒක තමයි. මේක මම කියලා දුන්නා මතකද absolute referencing වලදී. So this is absolute referencing. You are giving the in absolute referencing you are giving the exact path. But after transferring this document to some other place, this won't work. That is the drawback. That is the disadvantage of absolute referencing. ඒක තමයි disadvantage එක. එතකොට මේක relative referencing එක වැඩ. මේක internet referencing එකත් වැඩ. මේක absolute referencing. ඒක මගේ computer එකට හරි ඔයාගේ computer එකට ආවම path එක වරදිනවා. ඒ හින්දා තමයි වැඩ කරන්නේ නැත්තේ. Understood this? Right? First and second not opening, third is opening. Lashin, no, you have to share it. Lashin මොකද්ද පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ lap එකක්ද? Lashin, are you using laptop?
Desktop, sir.
Can you share the screen? ඔය කියන කතාව වෙන්න බැරි එකක්. Okay, can you show me the downloaded files? Please go and show me the downloaded files. Download කරපු තැනට යන්න ලක්ෂණ එක පින්නන්න මට files. You are saying file 1, 2. Okay, so where's the file? So please go to the download folder, right? Don't search. Yeah, your abcd dot that html file. Where's the html file? html file එක කොහා download කරපු. හරි file තියෙන තැනට යන්නකෝ. File තියෙන තැනට යන්නකෝ ලක්ෂණ. මේක ඕවා නෙමෙයි. ඔයා file දාගත්ත තැනට යන්නකෝ. Okay, whatever. The place that you put those files, can you go to the location? Oh, still I'm not seeing your desktop. Okay. ABC එකේ double click කරන්න. ABCD. ඔයාගේ file කියලා දාවේ file එක. ඔව් මට හිතෙනවා download කරලා නැද්ද මම. ABC එකේ double click කරන්න බලන්න. Just double click on that. Double click කරාද? නැත්නම් right click කරලා Chrome වලින් open කරා. Right click and open with the Chrome. කොහොම හරි කමන්නේ. ලක්ෂයෙන් මොකද වෙන්නේ?
Sir, I got disconnect.
Huh? Okay. හරි ABC එක double click කරන්න නැත්නම් right click කරලා open with කරන්නකෝ මේ Chrome වලින්. හරි double click කරපු එක එන්නේ නැති නේද මෙතනට? Can you see here? Can you go and access this edge? I think it should be there. Please access the file, access this folder. Okay, you can see the first one. හරිනේ පළවෙනි එක පේනවා කිසිම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Scroll කරන්න පල්ලෙහාට. Please scroll down. පල්ලෙහාට යන්න web page එක. Mouse එකෙන් scroll කරන්න. Scroll වෙන්නේ නැද්ද? ලක්ෂයෙන්
Sir, can't scroll.
scroll කරන්න mouse එකේ wheel එකක් නැද්ද? රෝදයක් නැද්ද mouse එකේ? ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් කරකවලා දාන්න. wheel එකක් තියෙනවනේ.
It's not scrolling.
Not scrolling. Can you use touchpad to go move up and down? හරි ඔයා මෙහෙම කරන්නකෝ ඔක open කරන්නකෝ Google Chrome වලින් ඔය edge එක හරියන්නේ නැහැ. Google Chrome වලින් ඔක open කරන්න right click කරලා. I don't like this browser. I don't know why.
මගේ නම් වැඩ කරා එන්ජ් එක.
edge එක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ මෙයාගේ scroll වෙන්නේ නැහැ කියනවනේ. ඔයා right click කරලා open with කරන්න ඕන. file එක උඩ right click කරලා ලක්ෂයෙන් ඒක open with කරන වෙයින් scroll වෙන්නේ. චුට්ටක් පල්ලෙහාට යන්න බෑ. ඔයා ලියපු ABC එකක් නෙවෙයිනේ ඕක නේද ලක්ෂයෙන්? මෙහෙම case එකක් ඇත්තේ. So this thing is that you have downloaded the first version. That is the problem ලක්ෂයෙන්. මං එව්වනේ වාට කීපයක් version ඔයාව download කරලා තියෙන්නේ මුලින්ම එව්ව එක. Please download the latest version. That is the last file. abc.html කියලා මම අන්තිමට එව්ව ෆයිල් එක download කරනවා. ඔය download කරලා තියෙන්නේ මුලින් එව්ව එක. ඒක තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ. Then you can see that, right?
Okay.
So that is the problem. You have downloaded the previous version. So go for the latest version. Antimate download. Then you can see this. Okay, so what is the problem, Rubin? Your one, Rubin. So what you are telling? This PC ka pen again. So can you share the screen, Rubin? Rubin, can you hear me? Oh, quick access again. Okay, the view again. You go to the view, and there you have to get the. Oh, so here, so please go to the detail pane, preview pane or detail pane. Here, preview pane or detail pane. Let's click that. Go to the next one, preview pane, navigation pane. Just click on navigation pane. And here, yeah, just tick this show all folders, all right, please. Navigation pane also you have to click. Right, or yeah, so now you can see. Okay. Right, I'm going back to the one. Going back to the this one. So you have to write down this, how to give the links. So here I have mentioned 3 types of links. Please mention in your note. I have given 3 types of links. So please mention it in your note. Please write embedding as the heading. We are allowed to embed a limited number of resources to a web page. That includes images, videos, sounds, PDF, etc. And please show the code. Embed image using relative referencing. And then write this one. Then this is actually embed image using absolute referencing. Embed an image using absolute referencing. Then please write this one. Then the third one. Actually, third one is embed an image using absolute referencing. Sorry, it's my mistake, right? Third one is embed an image using absolute referencing. That is third one. This is embed an image using internet referencing. So please write all 3 methods under this. Embedding. Under that, you can write all 3 methods. How to embed internet image, internet resource, how to embed a file which is using absolute referencing, how to embed a file using relative referencing. Please write down all 3. So I got a question from the chat, so let's answer that as well. Menu එක install කරන්න බෑ. මොකද්ද ප්‍රවීණ කියන්නේ menu එක install කරන්න. What is this menu? ප්‍රවීණ මොකද්ද menu එක? What is this? Okay. From where you have downloaded? So this is basically you don't have access. The reason is you don't have access. Are you using your administrator account or using some other account? If you are using administrator account, right click and run as administrator. Right click and run as administrator, then see. So it's saying that Windows cannot access that. Right click and run it. Okay. Maybe you can rename the file and see. Rename the file and see. Just try to rename the file because it has a longer name. Sometimes these characters are having problems. Try to rename the file and see, right? It might work after renaming. Okay. So please finish and let me know if you're done. Please finish and let me know if you're done. Right, then we know now how to embed, how to link resource, and that part is done. And the next part is very important part. We will be learning about services, other services of the internet, basically an email service. Okay, please write down the new heading, email service. So we learned there are many services of the internet. Out of that, email is the next important service. Actually, we learned internet is the infrastructure. Internet can it's only the infrastructure. It's only the road actually. Parak vitara internet can. Internet is the road. So then what is the vehicle? Vehicles are the services. In this road, buses are going, lorries, trucks, cabs, vans, cars, bicycles, all are using word. All are using this road. Sorry, all are using this road. All vehicles are using this road. So vehicles without road is useless. Road without the vehicles is also useless. එතකොට internet තියෙනවා හැබැයි සේවා නැහැ. ඒත් වැඩක් නැහැ. සේවා තියෙනවා internet නැහැ. ඒත් වැඩක් නැහැ. Right? We need both vehicles and road. Road is the internet. Vehicles are email, web, remote access, file sharing. Those are the vehicles. Road is internet. Right? Road is the infrastructure, and then you have services. Okay, so we have to first compare the standard email or email and Samanya Tapal means it is standard mail, or we call snail mail. Snail mail කියලා කියන්න හේතුව මෙයා නිකන් ගොළු බෙල්ලෙක් වගේ slow. So see here, email was snail mail. And you can see right? Snail mail was email. මේ තියෙන US වල email කොච්චර ප්‍රමාණයක් යවනවද කියලා අවුරුද්දකට. මේ අවුරුදු 5කට විතර කලින් එකක්. 5කට නෙමෙයි 2009. This is actually before how many years? 12 years. Yes, this is before 12 years. Right? 12 years ago, they are claiming there are 39.6 billion per day. 12 years ago. And that is actually emails. This is email. 39 billion emails. That means 400, and so they are saying 485 million per day. That is the statistic in 2009. But now this is totally different story. How many emails sent per day? So if you search how many emails sent per day, so this is daily numbers. And you can see the daily numbers. The number of emails sent per day is 300 and per day, right? Per day. So it is 376 billion. 376 billion per day. 376 billion per day. This is by actually the prediction is 2025. 2021 it is around 319 million. So 219 billion, right? Billion emails per day. So how many mails? How many postal mails sent per day? So then you can see it is globally in 1999, 269 billion emails and 4 billion emails users in the worldwide. So, but normal mails, so here today, this is the amount. So this is for emails, but standard mails, I cannot find any resource in here. You can just search and find. So anyway, it is again, so less than 1%, less than 1%. So that is the nature. Standard mails are less than 1% of the emails which is sent per day. So that is the percentage. See how many, how popular that is. And the first thing, how email address is created, you should know that. Email address has username, @mark, and then domain name. You can tell the example. Please write down. And a normal mail or standard mail has name, house number, road, and city. You can say this is an example. And another important point is it's real-time delivery. Right? Real-time delivery. Real-time delivery. Yavana velayama hamba venawa. Here it will take some more time. It will take some more time. At least it will take a day. At least a day. Another advantage of email is you can send from any location. And you can get the email being in any location. Send and receive emails regardless of your location. So basically, you can say physical location independency. Even you are in the International Space Station, you will get the email. Even you are in the ship, you will get. Even if you are in a flight, you will get the email. Right? Send and receive. Right? Send and receive. Where you are doesn't matter, but here you have to be in the physical location. You have to be in the physical address. Access mails. Otherwise, you will not get that. Here, this one is very cheap. Here, relative, comparatively expensive. Comparatively expensive. Not that much of costly, but comparatively expensive. Okay, then cannot send and receive goods, but here can send and receive goods or parcels, but the other one you can't send and receive. But here in the general, here actually email is more secure. Why? Because it has a password. You're less secure. You don't have something called password. It's less secure due to that. Because it is depend on people. So if people wish to destroy that or open that, you won't get it. කවුරු හරි හිතුවොත් මේක විනාශ කරන්න ඕන කියලා නැත්නම් කඩලා බලන්න ඕන කියලා එතකොට ඔයාලට ඊමේල් එක ලැබෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඊමේල් එක නෙමෙයි සාමාන්‍ය මේල් එක ලැබෙන්නේ. හැබැයි email it's secure because it has a password to protect your document. So please fill this quickly. I'll give you 2 minutes to fill this, and please rejoin with the next session because still we are not done. So we have to learn more about emails. Practically, we have to see how the fields, emails, CC, BCC are working. Therefore, we will do small practical in the next session. So please join with that link also. Join with the same link. Join with the same link again. Okay, please write down this now.